When I inherited my house from my uncle, it was a beautiful house but needed some work, and one of the first things that happened was the outside faucet had some deterioration in it that actually caused damage and leaking inside and outside. And I didn't know the neighborhood, didn't know who to call, and my new neighbor recommended me to Mr. Drain Plumbing of Oakland. They came out, they were quick, they were efficient, and gave me a really, really good price. One of the things they recommended is that I had a thorough check of the plumbing system, and when they did, they found up a clogged sewer, which would have cost me untold damage later on. And their professionalism was just fantastic. They have saved me a ton of money, a ton of headaches, and they came just when I needed them.